Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज global sentiment is looking risk off. एक तरफ Asia equities में sell off है, SGX Nifty is down over 100 points. At the same time, dollar index is surging or powering ahead. Dollar index is trading at the highest level since year 2000, and that's the reason why even the dollar CNH, मतलब जो Chinese currency है, that is very close to the 7 mark. We have been talking about the Chinese currency heading towards 7.2 for some time now, and that seems to be playing out. क्योंकि जहाँ पे भी monetary policy divergence है, मतलब Fed एक तरफ तो बहुत ही hawkish है. Like, for example, if we look at the rate expectations, Fed is expected to hike rates by 75 basis points in the September meeting. But दूसरी तरफ जो भी central bank is hesitant about hiking or even talking about rate cuts or doing the rate cuts, those currencies are under pressure. Those are like the Japanese yen. Japanese yen is trading at a multi-decade low against the dollar because the Bank of Japan is having a dovish policy. Same goes for the Chinese yuan. वहाँ पे the Chinese central bank is talking about further interest rate cuts. So all these things have a bearing on the Indian rupee as well because they are all part of the Asian basket. But dollar rupee, interestingly, has not been able to breach the 80 or 80-10 mark because of number of reasons. Because FPI flows have not turned significantly negative. There is mild outflow abhi tak, but not significant. And most importantly, RBI intervention is expected to be quite heavy around those levels. So considering these 2 points, the dollar rupee has been well capped around the 80 mark. तो ये सिचुएशन में दो तरीके का ट्रेड बनता है क्योंकि ग्लोबल सिचुएशन इज रिस्क ऑफ एंड डॉलर पॉजिटिव. वो सिनारियो में इट इज़ नॉट एडवाइजेबल टू बी शॉर्ट ऑन USDINR just because RBI is selling dollars. So therefore positional trades can be long dollar. So buy on dips either using futures or options. जब तक 79.5 के ऊपर है spot, तब तक the bias is clearly upward. Eventually 80-10 will break considering the global situation, and once that happens we could see a move towards 80.5. So positional view is bullish. In the meantime, with weekly options you can look to sell iron flies or strangles. जब तक ये range bound रहेगा तब तक the option premium will continue to melt. But remember, if you're doing an iron fly, it is a hedge strategy. So you don't have to think about a stop loss because it has an inbuilt stop loss. But if you're doing a straddle shot or a strangle shot, it's very important that you have a proper stop loss. Now coming to the cross INR, जहाँ पे पूरा action है, Euro INR and GBP INR are two currencies which can continue to move lower along with yen INR. क्योंकि जब तक dollar rupee is capped and euro dollar and pound dollar and yen, these three currencies are falling against the US dollar, we will see good declines in Euro INR, GBP INR and yen INR. So therefore, you can definitely look for intraday shorting opportunities in these currencies. Yesterday in the major economic data, जो US का service sector data था, ISM services PMI, that came in strong. उसके बाद the expectation that Fed is going to hike by 75 basis point rose. So that's the reason why dollar index is getting a push up. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.